Greetings, fellow adventurers, and welcome to a unique and exciting collaboration between TravelWise and CuriousWise Academy. Today, we embark on a journey that transcends boundaries and enriches our understanding of the world's cultural mosaic. I'm your guide on this remarkable odyssey, as we delve into the tapestry of traditions that unite us as a global community. In this special video, Global Traditions, Celebrating Cultural Diversity, we are partnering with CuriousWise Academy to explore the captivating rituals, festivals, and customs that define societies across the globe. As we traverse continents and cultures, we will discover the threads that connect us all, regardless of our origins. So, fellow explorers, fasten your seatbelts for a voyage through time-honored traditions that remind us of our shared humanity. Welcome to Global Traditions, Celebrating Cultural Diversity, a journey brought to you by TravelWise and CuriousWise Academy. Let's set sail. Segment 1, Diwali, India's Festival of Lights. Our voyage begins in the enchanting land of India, where Diwali, the Festival of Lights, casts a luminous glow that transcends the boundaries of time and space. This ancient celebration holds profound significance, weaving together spirituality, family bonds, and the triumph of light over darkness. Diwali is a time of dazzling beauty, as homes and streets come alive with the warm glow of countless diyas, traditional oil lamps that symbolize the victory of good over evil. The vibrant rangoli designs adorning doorways are a visual ode to creativity and unity. But Diwali is more than just lights and designs, it's a time of family reunions and joyous gatherings. Families come together to share sweets, exchange gifts, and express gratitude for the blessings that life bestows upon them. The brilliance of fireworks lighting up the night sky echoes the legend of Diwali, which tells the tale of Lord Rama's return after a period of exile, accompanied by his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana. Their triumphant homecoming is celebrated with the illumination of their path. Diwali embodies the essence of hope and renewal, reminding us that even in the darkest of times, light can prevail. As we immerse ourselves in the glow of this magnificent festival, we are reminded of the power of unity, compassion, and the eternal flame of human resilience. Segment 2, Hanami, Japan's blossom viewing tradition. From the vibrant celebrations of Diwali, our voyage takes us to the tranquil beauty of Japan, where the sakura, or cherry blossoms, transform the landscape into a mesmerizing sea of delicate petals. Hanami, the cherished tradition of blossom viewing, invites us to revel in the ephemeral beauty of nature. As spring emerges, so do the cherry blossoms, blanketing Japan in a breathtaking display of pink and white petals. Hanami, which literally translates to flower viewing, is more than just an aesthetic experience, it's a cultural phenomenon that embodies the Japanese reverence for nature's transient beauty. Hanami brings communities together as families and friends gather beneath the blossoming trees for picnics and camaraderie. The air is filled with laughter, the aroma of delicious food, and the collective appreciation of life's fleeting moments. The tradition of Hanami goes beyond admiration, it's also an opportunity for introspection and mindfulness. Some engage in traditional tea ceremonies amidst the blossoms, where the serene act of preparing and saving matcha tea becomes a form of meditation. The ephemeral nature of cherry blossoms teaches us to embrace life's beauty in its impermanence. Hanami encourages us to slow down, to appreciate the present moment, and to find joy in the transitory, lessons that resonate not only in Japan, but across cultures and borders. Segment 3, Day of the Dead, Mexico's celebration of ancestors. Our exploration of global traditions brings us to the heart of Mexico, where the colorful and spirited Day of the Dead, or Dia de los Muertos, paints a vivid picture of love, remembrance, and celebration of departed loved ones. This vibrant tradition transcends grief to become a joyful and communal expression of life. During the Day of the Dead, families create altars adorned with marigold flowers, photos of loved ones, and their favorite foods and possessions. These altars, known as ofrendas, serve as bridges between the realms of the living and the departed. In a display of unity and resilience, communities come together to honor their ancestors through colorful parades, music, and dances. Elaborate costumes and face paintings, often resembling iconic sugar skulls, capture the spirit of celebration. No celebration is complete without food, and the Day of the Dead is no exception. Families prepare pan de muerto, a sweet bread shaped like bones and skulls, as well as other favorite dishes of the departed. The Day of the Dead is a beautiful reminder that death is a natural part of life, and the bonds we share with those who have passed endure through memories, stories, and shared traditions. It showcases the resilience of Mexican culture and the enduring power of community. Segment 4. Holi, India's Festival of Colors. From the heartwarming Day of the Dead celebrations, we journey back to the mesmerizing landscapes of India, where the world transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues during Holi, the Festival of Colors. This exuberant celebration epitomizes the spirit of unity, joy, and renewal. Holi is a celebration that breaks down barriers and invites everyone to partake in the playful revelry. People of all ages come together to smear each other with brightly colored powders and water, turning the streets into a living kaleidoscope. As the air fills with laughter and the beats of traditional music, communities gather to dance, sing, and celebrate the arrival of spring. The essence of Holi lies not only in the colors, but also in the bonds formed as people share in this joyful experience. Holi begins with the lighting of bonfires the night before, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. The legend of Prahlad and Holika narrates the victory of devotion and righteousness, adding a profound layer of meaning to the festivities. As the world becomes a canvas of colors, Holi teaches us the value of shading differences and embracing unity. It's a reminder that beneath our varied shades, we are all part of the same human mosaic, celebrating life's vibrancy together. Segment 5. Carnival, Brazil's extravaganza of samba and sizzle. Our global exploration now takes us to the vibrant and rhythmful streets of Brazil, where Carnival, an electrifying extravaganza of music, dance, and elaborate costumes, ignites the city with an infectious energy. This spectacle of cultural fusion and exuberance is a celebration like no other. Carnival is an explosion of creativity and expression, where vibrant costumes, elaborate floats, and samba dancers take center stage in dazzling parades. It's a true embodiment of the Brazilian spirit, an unapologetic celebration of life, rhythm, and diversity. What makes Carnival truly special is its inclusivity. People from all walks of life, irrespective of age, gender, or background, come together to revel in this extraordinary celebration. Rooted in African, European, and indigenous traditions, Carnival showcases Brazil's cultural tapestry. The pulsating rhythms of samba, accompanied by the beats of drums and colorful costumes, form the heartbeat of Carnival. As dancers and performers move in unison, the energy becomes contagious, transcending language and barriers. Carnival is more than a celebration, it's an ode to life itself. It's a reminder that, no matter where we come from, we can find unity in our shared joy, our love for music, and our desire to embrace the richness of culture. As our whirlwind journey through these captivating global traditions draws to a close, we are reminded that while our world is adorned with a multitude of cultures, our shared humanity is beautifully united by the universal threads of celebration, remembrance, and joy. Indeed, our curiosity has led us on a remarkable voyage of discovery and connection. From the Festival of Lights in India to the rhythmic beats of Brussels Carnival, we have celebrated the diverse beauty that enriches our global tapestry. This collaboration between TravelWise and CuriousWise Academy is a testament to the power of unity through exploration. Our joint endeavor to embrace the richness of cultures across borders has been a journey of understanding, inspiration, and celebration. If you have been captivated by the vibrant mosaic of global traditions, we invite you to continue your journey with CuriousWise Academy. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be part of our united exploration, celebrating the tapestry of humanity. And for more captivating travel adventures and insights, remember to stay connected with TravelWise. Subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow curious souls who share our passion for discovery. Together, let's celebrate the rich diversity of our world's traditions, united in curiosity and the spirit of exploration.